Well, welcome to another week of UGC Mike, well, UGC Dad. I had to rent this kitchen at my local library so I could do a video for these two products, which are some kind of supplement, to be honest. I don't know much about them, but I got to film about 5 or 6 different scenes. Basically, they send you like a script outline like this. I print it, I recite it, and then they ask you to do a little bit of freeform stuff. So that's what I'm going to do as well too. The kitchen is a little darker than I expected. I got lots of light over here with these open windows, but unfortunately it doesn't have bright enough lights here. So lesson learned, next time I come here I should bring my own lights, because that's going to make this a lot easier. It's going to be kind of dark, so I'll have to do what I can do, I guess. I don't have much of a choice here, but just letting you know how this is going to go. I guess we'll find out. So
I don't know about you, but everywhere I turn, people are talking about NAD+. The podcasts I listen to it, the celebrities on there, they just love using it. The best part about Rose NAD is that it uses liposomal delivery to increase cellular absorption, 10 times more than NAD pills, which don't survive the digestion process and are simply a waste of money. This energy boost contributes to overall vitality, cognitive function, and an extra added bonus is that it helps with the healthier aging process.
This feels like a cheat code to staying young. And the celebrities are obsessed. So try it for yourself.
you're fucking kidding me. Oh, for fuck's sake. Come on. Really? Okay, so an hour later, I rented this only for an hour, but now that my hour is up, I made the shots that I needed to make. At least I hope I got them all. All I have to do now are outdoor shots. And then the company is asking for 2 things. 1, they want me to upload all the raw files, and 2, they want me to edit a clip itself. I tell you, I learned a lot about supplements while shooting this. So maybe they are worth the money. And as I start to age, I realize that I do have to start taking supplements. And you can thank UGC for that, because I never would have thought about it before. But now that I'm over 50, I guess I do need to start taking vitamins. Now, your local library may have a system like this that you can rent. This thing cost me about $50 US to rent for the hour, but I've had it a little bit longer and no one said anything yet. And I have the whole room to myself, as you can see, and it's a good spot. So look your local library. If you're worried about finding a spot to rent, check out your local facilities. The library should be good. Maybe the city hall has an area you can rent. And there's a lot of amenities here. So I got the fridge, I got the stove, everything you possibly need. All right, I gotta get back to work. Every week is going to be a different job. And if you do want to get UGC contracts, I'm really good at getting brand deals for some reason, or getting brands to reach out and do this. So feel free to subscribe, and I'll tell you how to go through it all. And we'll talk soon. Thanks for watching.